In this video, I will show you how to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. So let's jump straight into it. So at the moment there's a current promotion going on with Bybit where you can actually claim a 20 USDT coupon. So to do this, all you need to do is simply register for a new account. So as you can see here, the steps are listed. So step 1 is to click the register now button. Then what you need to do is complete the onboarding upon signing up. And then what you can do once you've secured your spot is get the free 20 USDT coupon. Now, if you complete this third step, you'll actually receive an extra 1,000 tokens via airdrop. So what you want to do first is, of course, go ahead and register for an account. Once you signed up, what they're going to do is send a verification code to your email address. So make sure you enter an email that you do have access to. And once you've gone ahead and entered your code, what it's going to do, as you can see, we've done the first step of registering. So the second step, as you can see, it says complete the mandatory Bybit Satosh onboarding upon signing up. So now what we need to do is click this button here to sign up. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to this screen. So from here, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to want to click onto your profile icon just up here. You're going to see this menu is going to come up and there's an option here which says My Rewards. You can see it's got the number 2 next to it. So if we actually go ahead and click onto this, that's going to take us to this screen where it says claim your rewards now. And as you can see, we've got our 20 USDT token. So all we need to do is go ahead and click claim. And just like that, we have gone ahead and claimed our tokens. So as you can see, it's now available to use. So we can press on to use, and then we can use this to do things like, for example, buy crypto or something like that. And that is how to use the Bybit 20 USDT token. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.